During Lent, it's really important for us all to get our nutrients because we don't have any sort of animal products during this time. So be sure to stock up on nuts because these have a lot of protein. I always recommend getting fruit, vegetables, and nuts together. Those are just the best. Here's another example of that sort of dish. Got pumpkin seeds, cashews, and tangerine slices. It's very healthy and delicious, and it'll fill you up a bit more to have the nuts because, it's protein, and the seeds are really great too. And then there are lots of vegan breads you can make. I just made these breadsticks today. They're really good and great to have with vegetables and just so delicious. And finally, for dessert, we have vegan ice cream. This is just so good to have during Lent.